Hello everyone, welcome to Balance by Hina. Today I have some Pilates inspired routine for you, so let's get started. Keep your feet hip distance apart, feet parallel, bend your knees slightly and pull the belly in. Interlock your fingers and brace it so you're pressing both hands towards each other and keeping the upper body engaged. Transfer your body weight towards the left slightly and lift the right leg up and down. Right foot is pointing forward as you lift up and down. Try not to swing the leg up and down. You're using your hip strength to lift the leg up and then down. Toe is facing forward. That is very important, guys. Good. Let's try the second version of it, in which we are going up on count of 2 and coming down on count of 2. Up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. So again, I'm trying to use my hip strength to lift the leg as much as possible and then using my inner thighs as to control the movement downward. Very good. Now in case you have to touch the right foot to the ground because you're feeling unstable, is totally fine. But if you want to challenge yourself, then keep your leg floating. Good job. We take a short break. You'll start feeling the outer glutes by now. Let's try the same thing on count of 3 this time. So going up on count of 3, coming down on count of 3. Down, 2, 3. Again, up, 2, 3. Down, 2, 3. It's going to be a lot harder, but we can do this. Try not to swing that leg up. You are controlling it from your hip and resisting it on your way back. Very good job, guys. Keep going. Yay! Relax. Let's move on to the left side. Yes, we have done only one side. Let's start. So again, remember your right leg is slightly bending. You're interlocking your fingers and bracing it and lifting the left leg up and left toe is facing forward. Keep going, guys. Let's start the second version. Going up on count of 2, coming down on count of 2. Very good. It's hard and it's wobbly now. We take a short break. Shake it off. Let's try the last version, that is going up on count of 3 and coming down on count of 3. Up, 2, 3. Down, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. Down, 2, 3. Good. Almost there. I know it's getting hard. Okay, one more. And just hold. Excellent job, guys, and relax. Let's go into a sumo squat stance. The toes are about 45-degree angle and the knees are not falling in, they are following your toes. So if you look from the side, the knees are not falling in, they are aligned with your toes. Engage your glutes and align. Excellent. So think about your wrapping a belt around your waist, keeping everything engaged. I'm going to start with my sumo squat dips. So the knee to toe alignment is much more important than the depth of your sumo squat. So keep that in mind and go according to your comfort. Very good. Just 2 more. One last and hold. And now push the knees out. Now you are pushing the knees even more out, engaging that smaller muscles. Nothing else in the body moves except those knees. Very tiny movement, guys. Good job. So take a little short break here And we're gonna dive back into our sumo squat. Keep your knees aligned and let's go for tiny pulses. Good. And we're gonna hold up there. Hold. Try to keep your thighs parallel to the ground. And we are done. Good job. Shake it off. Let's move on to our last series. Coming onto your mat, coming to a box position. Don't let the ribcage just fall down. Keep everything engaged. Press the hands into the ground and lift the ribcage up. Let's take the left leg out and see that you're not transferring your weight onto the right. Once you feel that, let's go out and start with your pulsing. Good. Keep that hip engaged. And we are going to pull the toe towards the face as to get more engagement in the hamstring and the glute. Now slowly move the leg towards the left. Very good. Now we are just doing some taps on the floor. Try to keep your body weight centered, not shifting everything to the right. And last, we are doing 6 circles each side. And we relax. Moving on to the other side. Let's go again into your box position and starting onto your right side. So directly we're going to start with the pulsing. Pull the toe in now. And take the leg to the side. Feel that outer glute engagement. Let's start with the taps. And last, we're gonna do the circles. Both directions. And we are done. Excellent job, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you next class. Have a great day.